Casa here, and today we're gonna be hunting down some stuff. So, hope you enjoy. Now, our first test subject. Looking for a subject. Him. So now you can see all that's left is his hat. Dun dun dun. Yeah. So we blew up that thing. Now let's go find more stuff to blow up. Now we're going to drop a rock on my bike that's kind of broken because there's something wrong with the chain and the stuff around it. So yeah, let's smash it. I'm not going to blow it up this time. Yay! So now my beautiful bike is smashed to pieces. I'm gonna have to say goodbye for this video, and I'm gonna make more, don't worry. So, see you later.